So I've been wanting one of these for a super long time, and I said that they had such a great deal in the TikTok shop. So I said, enough of everybody else having one besides me, let's grab it. So it only just came in, and I'm so excited I got it in the purple color. I have a feeling that these might still be we can share maybe. So this is like a little book that you can put your Polaroids in here. Here's your film. I'm not sure what this is. It says love. And then in here is the camera. I was wanting to do those like aesthetic flat lays with a cute like picture. This one it's wrapped nicely. How cute. So this one I'm working with. Let me figure this out. Oh, you probably have to put batteries in it. Yeah, let me figure this out. So stay tuned. Let's be smarter than the camera. We don't have any film in there, but if we did, that would be so cool. This is so awesome. I feel like a little kid. Grab yours right there.